Okay, quick dashboard guide. 1972 Citroen DS 23. So first things first, we'll turn on the lights. Light switches here. We get a good bit of light here. So here is your choke for starting cold starts. This is a fan for the driver's side. The ignition on for that, clearly. There you go. Driver's side fan comes in, fresh air over there. And there's another fan for the passenger side, and for the windscreen to give a bit of warm air. This was originally the rear windscreen defroster, but I have wired it up to be an electric fuel pump primer for when the car hasn't been started in a while. Takes a bit of the workload off the ignition and the mechanical pump. You can hear it there in the background, and the little warning light comes on to remind you to turn it off. Next thing, we have a little glove box. If you want some salts in there. Cigarette lighter, have to find that. So here's our testing that all the warning lights are working. Little button here. Fuel gauge. Speedo, trip meter. There's a little cunning little thing here to tell you your stopping distance as you are driving. This goes around and reveals stopping distances per speed. Rare enough temperature gauge and a electronic rev counter. Then we have here, we have the wiper washer, so pull it up to wash on one screen and then wash, not particularly high speed. Then we have your indicators, right turn, left turn, both warnings flash for some reason. I think that was a thing. Then you got your two-tone horn, one for please go, double whammy, and then you might be able to see the flashing flash there. And then we have our lights button, so pull back, and one turn is side lights, push away is driving lights, turn it again, oops, is full lights, driving lights again, and then pull it back towards you, full lights, and then you got the steering lights as well. You can see them moving as I move the wheel. And then you have various vents things here for air up to the face, air down to your feet. Ignition key here, obviously. Door locks. Lucky pedal situation. I'll get into that at the moment. And sun visors. And a mirror. Also has the flicky thing for night driving, and the very nice interior lights and leather and nice headrests, new door handles, good leather door cards, good leather seats, and an armrest, center armrest, and inertia rear seatbelts. Okie dokie.